Nothing I said can be held against me in Caprice's court of law.
I object! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is smokedalive, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different video, and it is called Husband Raids My Instagram.
Uh-oh.
I'm going to go ahead and let him introduce himself.
Hello, my name's Caleb. I'm smokedalive husband, and I like her very much, so much that I married her. We've been married for 4 years.
Okay. Snappy, quick.
I don't know
snappy.
what to say.
He always tells me I ramble, and look at him. We've been married for 4 years. Alright, let's see what his first victim is.
Let's see. I think army pants are cool, but like...
But not.
This reminds me of like 90s. I don't know, they're just kind of dorky to me.
Army pants?
These.
He told me I looked cute.
And she does. But you can still have dorky pants on and look cute.
Oh yeah, you're dorky, but you're still cute, babe. Thanks. Oh my gosh.
Alright. I will never hear the end of this, by the way. Alright, so the first thing that I actually like on your Instagram is going to be you in your unicorn bathing robe. I think you look really sexy, really cute. I like the little horn. It's pretty cool. Yeah.
Aww.
This one, she probably won't like what I have to say. Girls, I'm sorry, but I think the eyelash containers just look really silly. This reminds me of like Halloween or something. Like maybe I don't look at lashes enough, but I look at this and I'm like, what are you trying to create, a spider?
You should sponsor me, Rouge and Rogue.
She talks about it all the time, so she's not kidding. So, these little poof balls.
I love these.
Girls, why the heck do you have a dog toy on your backpacks, on your pouches? I'm like, I'm sorry, but like...
You're yelling.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
First of all, what dog is gonna play with this? I'm pretty sure it's a cat toy. Just saying.
That looks really good.
I'm gonna raid him. You look like a dweeb.
Whatever.
I want to hear your opinions on this. Now I'm scared.
Okay. It does kind of remind me of like if Caprice was in like a vampire movie.
My dad says I look like Marilyn Manson, which I can see a little bit. I do see it, but like a glossy black smoky eye is just my jam. Hands
down, the best looking picture on her Instagram. That is why I married her. This one, she looks like a straight babe. Like it. Want to take her to the bedroom and have really long conversations with her. Plastic, definitely my wife. She's pretty fake. Moving on.
The plastic videos are about not being plastic. My goodness. I have no plastic surgery.
Okay.
It's all natural. What's one that I want to hear your opinion on? Well.
Okay. When I see all these dots on her face, I'm like, is this Halloween?
It's makeup art.
I'm trying to live in fantasy land.
Well, it was an alien inspired look.
Yeah, that's kind of weird, so.
Alright.
So.
I look good!
You do look good, but
you
it's
do
just,
look good.
It's just kind of comical to me. I'm like, what are you, 5? Like, get off the freaking kid's bike. Like,
this was his idea when we were at Walmart.
It looks like she's going in for a job interview, but like it's at Hot Topic. It's like trying to be business, but with like a little chain. Hot Topic.
I can see that.
Like, my lips are real, haha.
We love you, poster girl.
I get it. The nose ring, it's a little too big for your nose, but you still look sexy in a nose ring. This is pretty cool. Got a grill. By the way, I tried to get her to make out with me with the grill on. She wouldn't do it.
I don't remember that.
I do. Holler out to my boy Jeffree Star.
He loves Jeffrey. Like every time I watch him, he's like, he
Jeffrey,
really likes Jeffrey.
Jeffrey's pretty funny.
We would love to meet him one day. Let's go down to the old Caprice.
Ooh, the old Caprice.
Like, actually, in my video that I filmed for this picture, as I'm talking, I turn my head and then you just see it fly across the room. It's really funny. That was rude.
What are you doing in here?
I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't know what you're doing, but you look ridiculous. You do. You're like.
I was doing the leg thing that the models do to say, like, to make you look skinnier, you know? This makeup looks cool. I should actually recreate this.
I think you look kind of funny. By the way,
What do you mean I look kind of funny?
I don't know. It almost looks like you're trying to pose and then also like push something out of your butt. Trying to poop or something. Where do you want to go?
Oh, look at Melt. Oh, the little baby. She was so cute.
Looks like the totally too dark of a foundation.
Yeah, that's actually, okay. I literally, like, made myself Mexican. Like, my shade was so off, and then it was so orange. It was like an Oompa Loompa. Oh, what do you think of my pom-poms? I love these.
They're cool, but then they're also kind of dorky. They're both. I'm not getting it. I don't get it. I like it, but I think your jewels are too big. A little bit too big.
My Thunderbolt liner. This was so hard to do. I was so proud of myself. Like, this took me forever.
So with this, it doesn't look like lightning to me. It looks like Z for Zorro type of things going on. Zorro?
Not the lightning bolt.
Zorro. But it looks cool.
So what do you think of the overdrawn lips?
I remember seeing you and you looked a little ridiculous in person.
I was trying to get Jeffrey to repost me, but I don't think he likes me.
Dude,
just kidding. I'm just too small for him to notice me.
He'll repost me.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like videos with him in it, let us know because we will continue to do fun, different videos like this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, and follow me on Twitter, and I will see you guys next week.
Bye-bye.
I was so delayed.